So hey everyone, welcome back to the quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can see the world's internet usage in real time. Now, in order to do it, all you need to do is just simply open any of the browser you have, and here you have to search for internet livepets.com. Just simply go to this website and you can do the same steps on the smartphones as well. Just all you need to do is just simply access the site. Now it will take some time to retrieve the real-time data over all over the world and give the live data, the live feed directly to you. Let's just wait for it to respond first. You can check the once the site gets the information, you can check the real-time data of the internet user all around the world and the total number of website, and even how much photos are uploaded on Instagram, how much videos are uploaded on YouTube today. It will take some time and give you the actual factual data. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.